Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. This has been my year to try to get really organized, and one of the things that has helped me to get so organized is this great jewelry box from Poyilooo. This jewelry box really has everything that I need to be able to get organized and be able to actually see what I have.
This box is entirely made out of wood. It is a lightweight wood, but it's a weathered look, which is really pretty. It has room for everything inside, and on the inside are plastic holders for the earrings. The plastic is very sturdy, and it's so awesome that I also have this room in the drawers, and they're made out of a linen inside, so everything is nice and soft for all of my jewelry. I absolutely love that I can store everything in every nook and cranny of this box. Before this, my earrings were everywhere. I was always losing one or couldn't find one, so it really made it difficult to be able to find what I needed really quickly in the morning. The box drawers slide in and out very easily, and it's nice that if I don't have room on the racks, I have plenty of room in the drawers to store earrings that might be oversized. It's just so nice to be able to have everything in one place, and it closes up really nicely and fits securely right on top of my dresser. It's just a really pretty box.
So if you're ready to put all of your jewelry into one place, you will love this box. It really helps you to see everything so much easier. It keeps things organized. It's lightweight and really pretty to display as well, and that's my point of view.